Hi, friend. In this video, the Dien online course will guide you on how to download, install, and use the Zoom app. Let's begin. 1. Instructions for downloading Zoom on a computer. Step 1. Visit the website on Google Chrome. https://zoom.s. Step 2. Download. Scroll to the bottom of the website and click on Download. Step 3. Download Zoom client for meetings. You need to know whether your computer is running a 64-bit or 32-bit system. To find this, right-click on this PC or PC on your desktop. Select Properties. On the right side, you will see your computer's system type, 64-bit or 32-bit. From there, you can choose the appropriate download option. Step 3. Install Zoom client for meetings. Find the Zoom installer full, in your Downloads folder. Open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install Zoom. Wait for the installation to complete, and once finished, you can immediately open and use the app. 2. Instructions for downloading Zoom on a phone. Step 1. If you have an Apple device, open the Apple App Store. If you have an Android device, open the Google Play Store. Step 2. Search for Zoom Cloud Meetings. Step 3. Tap Get or Install to download the app. 3. Instructions for entering the classroom. Step 1. Open Zoom on your phone or computer. Step 2. Press Join a meeting. Step 3. Enter the meeting ID. We will provide this for you before the class starts. Step 4. Enter your name following this format. Your name, your country/state. Step 5. Press Join. Step 6. Enter the Zoom password and press Join Meeting. On computer. Step 7. Select Join with Video to open the camera. Step 8. Select Join with Computer Audio to hear the sound. On phone. Step 7. Select Join with Video to open the camera. Step 8. Select Call via device audio or call using internet audio to hear the sound. 4. Instructions for renaming on a computer. Step 1. Right-click on your Zoom frame and select Rename. Step 2. Enter your name, following the format. Your name, your country/state. Then, click Change. 5. Instructions for renaming on a phone. Step 1. Press the red frame icon. Step 2. Press the red frame again, then select Change Name. Step 3. Enter your name and select Finish. Your name should follow this format. Your name, your country/state.